What's up, fam? It's your guy, it's the Belly, and I'm gonna do an unboxing of this Star Wars Black Series 3-pack from the Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order video game, which includes the second sister, Cal Kestis, the Inquisitor version, and a Purge Trooper. You know what? Let's get a little more light in here. Let's see. Okay, there we go. Alright, that's better. Alright, well, it's my first time doing an unboxing, so let's get with it. Alright, start with the... What's this kind of... Okay, decided to take it out of the pack first. All that rustling plastic, probably like nails on the chalkboard on the mic. Articulation's pretty good. Let's see, a little stiff in the knees. Might have to. Old second sister might have to take a bath in the in a cup of hot water. She is probably my favorite of the Inquisitors. I'm a big fan of the Jedi Fallen Order game. I was a little late playing it though. I know it. I didn't get a chance to play it like a year after it was released. It was just, oh man, what the hell? Let's see. There we go. Not so bad. I wish her helmet was removable. But you know, I'm cool with it. I'm cool with it. I like the cape. It's got the Imperial emblem. That's really dope. She's probably the best looking Inquisitor um, so far. I can tell, as I can tell. All right, let's see. Now we have our boy Cal Kestis. Okay, you got big ass head. Unpacking this stuff kind of reminds me of when you was a kid trying to sneak in the cake pan, the little cake thing. You know what I'm talking about? Try to sneak you a slice of cake. That thing start going. Everybody in the house is looking like, "What you doing?" Not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. Oh, oh wow, that joint. Okay, that's not bad. I like that. Yeah, the articulation is really good, really nice, really nice. Let's see. I want to get. Oh, okay, yeah. Let's see. I wonder does his lightsaber attaches like in the game? I don't think it does. Looks like it's one. Like it's just a standard double bladed lightsaber. So that's kind of cool. Let's see. This version of Cal, it's a cool sequence in the game where he has a vision of himself a as an Inquisitor. I think that happens like after I don't know. He has a vision where he finds one of the holocrons. That's pretty dope. Not bad. I like the way his neck moves. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Yeah. I'm still hunting. I'm still hunting the original Black Series Cal Kestis. I didn't get. I guess I kind of came in the game late, so I kind of missed out on that one. Uh, so I'm still on the hunt for that. So I actually got the same pose. I guess I should do something different. I don't know. Ah, close enough. All right. All right. Finally, we have the coolest mofo trooper in the game. Same game, Fallen Order. Ah, crap. Ah, sheesh. Man, that's cool. These guys are so dope. It's like one of the coolest design for a trooper. I would love to see. I would love to see a Purge Trooper in live action. Probably never get it, but who knows? We'll see. Uh, you got this huge. He's got this huge. Was it? I guess like a gravity hammer. Kind of reminds me of the chieftains from Halo, the Halo game. I don't know if anybody's fan of Halo. Yeah, yeah, he definitely looks like one of the brute chieftains with this thing. If I can put this in his hand. Man, these guys was nothing to play with in the game. I know before I got my weight up with the level up my character, I used to get my butt whooped all the time by these guys. Matter of fact, and put him over Cal. Like Cal fell down, so I don't know. Maybe he never mind. Ah, anyway, let's see. I think that helps. Like I said, awesome 3 pack. I'll be honest. Out of these three, Cal's probably my least favorite. He does look a little. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what to really call it. But Second Sister is definitely the coolest. Like I said, I just wish that her helmet comes off. But, you know, works for me. Alright, that's my unboxing. Trying to mix it up a bit. I'll probably do more content like this. Maybe in the future I'll probably show off my collection. Um, yeah, probably my next video. I have a couple more tech videos to do. I'll probably drop that probably the end of the week, the end of the week. I also have my last part 5 of trying to get the old thing back. I'll probably release that maybe sometime this week also. So I guess until next time, you guys have a good one.
It's the belly.